Please subscribe to the Isle of Man TV archive channel. Thank you.
Well, we originally set off to look for a bowl to build on the island, and we managed to acquire this site off the commissioners, a nice remuneration, which will be helpful for the future, and this obviously would be the best bowling centre we could set up on the island, because the building really lends itself, to being a bowling centre. Although it was a swimming pool before, and you can see the holes in the floor that they were. That was being a task in itself, us covering those over. Once we've done that, the actual hall lends itself to a really, really nice bowling centre. It's going to look really nice when it's finished. Honest.
The island's been without a bowling centre for some time.
It has. It's 4 years now since we've had the bowling centre. Unfortunately, we lost the Manx Super Bowl. And there was nothing we could do about that. The bowl itself actually did run as a good, profitable business, and that obviously encouraged us to think that we could still have a bowling centre on the island that would be worthwhile having.
And the equipment, is that still there? Have you used it for this new build?
No, we've not used any of the equipment at all. It's all going to be new equipment we have in here. The whole building will have everything brand spanking new, all state of the art, and it'll be a really nice, leisure centre for the people of the island to use.
Of course, some people are thinking it's in Ramsey, that's going to make it difficult, but has that caused any challenges for you? To start with, we had people, quite negative, why are you having it up in Ramsey? But people have come round to it now, and we've had people all over the island saying, they can't wait for it to open. The point is that the site is a really good position. So the bowlers can get up here and park easily to come bowling. People can come up and enjoy the whole of Ramsey. Because it's not just the bowling centre here, but Ramsey is a really pretty place to come, and we're right on the front. The restaurant looks out over the sea. You couldn't ask for a better site. I remember the building being quite run down. There was holes in the roof and everything before you took it over.
Well, they had a new roof put on here not that long ago, and so other than a few minor repairs that we've had to do, it's been fine. It'd been empty for 18 months before we come along, and it was dry as a bone when we come into the building, which encouraged me to think that, obviously that it could be a good site, because the one thing you don't want is leaky roofs on a bowling centre.
Please help support modern Manx history and keep this channel going.